We're doing it on Omega. Episode 399, Part 1. Dreadtron versus zombies, and I lost. Cyber emergency for Alpha. Alpha Tribute Benton. I got Natasha. Why the heck did I get that? Oh, for Morning Gates, okay. Why didn't I get Diviner for Morning Gates? Okay. Normal summon Troll and linked off for Anaconda. Anaconda, Dragoon, set a card, so I have some interruptions here. And he was like, I feel bad for doing this. And I'm like, what are you talking about? Dark Ruler? No, it's worse. Super Poly. And discard Solitaire. For Starving. And then a Zombie World, almost summoned Uni. Uni's gonna activate its effect, but I let him up. And then Eva's effect did not happen because it's something about fairies. Well, Zombie World, everything is a zombie. Field Engrave, Starving Direct, and ooh, I was gonna Alpha, right? Yeah, Alpha, and then they belled me. And Rivalry of Warlords. Direct with Starving. Alpha Natasha, Ultimateness. And just to get a body on board. I did not want to quit. Solitaire, Orange. He did not attack. Weird. Maybe it misclicked or it was just giving me a chance. Right here. I couldn't even go into my extra deck. Nothing. Locked into zombies and only zombies. Monster Reborn, and guess what? He takes my Dragoon. Okay, attacked. See, why did he not? Oh, okay. I was like, why didn't he get the 1000? That's because Alpha was in the grave. If anything on the field, it will destroy and then he will gain. So, okay. I think I could have did something if I would have chained it correct. Right here. If I think I would have did this guy's effect first and then chained it with this, it would still be over. At 400 life points left. Negated it and yeah, I had no chance. Summons Mizuki and kills me with Mizuki. Oh, Mizuki! Finish him! Black Feather wins. Flawless victory. Perfect. Round 2. Dude! I sided in triple twin and triple drops. Wow. Alpha immediately negated with Gamma. Cyframe Gear Gamma. Set the twin and that's it. Zombie World, he set. I was debating on doing this right now end phase, but then I was like, nah, I'll wait. Then I did it. What was that? Super Poly, thank God. But that wasn't gonna help me, I had nothing. Jacko Boland discarding Ash. each effect once per turn. Oh, so he couldn't use his other effect right away. Jacobolin. During your opponent's main phase, quick effect, you can target one zombie monster in either of his graveyards. Or banish it when it leaves the field. Then banish it. Wow. Alpha, Tribute Gamma, and a quick effect, DD Crow. Banish it. So. And then the Jacobolin special end phase comes back. Linked off those two for Sucker, they get banished. Solitaire for Bloom. He says he only uses this zombie deck in ranked. And then Twin Twister. Sucker's gonna 5 back. What? You can target one. Oh, it doesn't even have to be a zombie. And then he's gonna draw. If a zombie monster is how the fuck is this guy still a zombie? Zombie World's not even on the field anymore. How is this guy still a zombie? What the f? How is he still a zombie? When Zombie World's not even on the field anymore. This guy's still a zombie. Oh, probably when he hit the field. It's a lingering effect. No? This guy doesn't say zombie. This guy says zombie. That guy doesn't say zombie. What the hell? He knew it was over. He didn't even use Boral Sword's attack gain. Oh my god. Blackfeather wins. Flawless victory. Perfect! Okay, does he have a deck? Come on. Yes, he does have a deck. Let's go. $3.99. This was pretty good. Pretty good deck. Pretty good. Let's see. Well, we were at silver at 1162. Now we're 1140. $3.99. Where are you? Oh, it's a clean 40. Here we go. Double Doom King. Triple Zombie World. It's got the Eldritch. Oh, for Eldritch matchup, I guess. He has no Eldritch in his main or side. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Nice and clean. Clean 40. Still at 259? Still at 259. Comment, share, like if you subbed it, sub if you liked it. See you guys.